Good morning. Today we are going to see how to copy roles from one user to one user. So for that, uh, go to setup and maintenance and go to all tasks, create implementation with us. So, so I have username with the shaker.miner. So I want to copy the roles, copy user, like as soon as I copied that user, all rows which is assigned to shaker.byna came into here. Okay. So this is one of the way to copy the rows from one user to one user. Okay. So this is a small concept, but very useful concept. Mm, Suppose we have 10 rows is there, and I want to copy all 10 rows to some other user. Just click on that user and copy that user. As soon as I copy that user, automatically all the rows which are assigned to the particular user will be copied to the copied user. Okay. This is a small concept, but very useful concept. Okay. So one more concept is there. In that also I will show that. Um, Suppose when you're copying the rows, we have preference will be there. Normally, when copying the role, we will suffix will be GSC and prefix. Suppose whatever you want, suffix or prefix, you can give it. Okay. Suppose I want to copy it because my company name is like EBS. So I want to start with the copied role with the EBS. Automatically, that role will be prefixed with the EBS. Otherwise, you want to suffix with custom. Suppose GSC is there, is a defaulted one. Suppose I want to copy with custom underscore custom or something like that. You can give that. Okay. So I'll just show how to do it. Okay. So now I have a role like account receivable manager. Suppose I want to copy that role, custom role, as soon as it is coming GSC. Okay. Because we have given that suffix will be GSC. That's why it's coming. Suppose I want to change it. Okay, I will show. I want to change to custom. Um, then underscore custom. Go to administration. Now I want to now changing the custom. Okay. So once I saved it. Okay, once I saved it. Now I'm trying to copy that again. Now it's coming custom. Okay. So you want to, based on your company project needs, we can change this type of thing in copying the roles. So if you have any doubts like on this copying the role from one user to one user, or when copying the role, how to prefix or suffix with the custom or whatever and you need, please ping me on that comment section of the YouTube so that I can reply back. Okay, so thank you for have a nice day. Okay.